Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
In this week's episode, we head out to the port of Miami to board our first ever Virgin Voyages. While everything went pretty smoothly, there were a few bumps in the road. We did manage to make it on board though, to check out our awesome room, enjoy some delectable treats, talk about getting a tattoo, and enjoy probably what's one of the best sail away parties at sea. So come along as we take you on board Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady.
Well, hi there, navigators.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Guess what today is? What is today?
Today is cruise day.
And guess what we're doing today?
Well, I'd say we let people try to guess.
Okay, well, can you figure out by our outfit? So, got an octopus, got red, and we've got...
Oh, there you go. So Nate's channeling a little Tom Selleck as we get ready to board. As we get ready to board Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. We are here in Miami. We had a great night. We spent the night at Kimpton Epic. We are in Miami, but right on the border of Brickell, and had a great dinner at Hell's Kitchen.
Yeah, so got the, Colleen got the famous lobster
risotto.
I got the famous beef Wellington as well, along with the, what was it, the sticky toffee?
Yeah, sticky toffee pudding. Oh, that is shareable. That's a little trick for you there.
Yeah, and then we went to this morning went to what? The Bee Bakery?
Bee Bistro Bakery.
Bee Bistro Bakery, and had a fantastic breakfast. But I will tell you one thing. It was very good, but there is no cheap breakfast here in Brickell.
Oh. Bring your wallet, save your pennies, but oh, it is so worth it. And we're so excited to get onto the cruise ship and take you along. Stay tuned for all of our adventures.
Yeah, as this is our first time on Virgin Voyages. All right, let's get out of here.
All right.
All right, so we are waiting in line. Absolutely no particular reason to ever get here early. So we weren't sure what to expect, but basically you get corralled by time slot and then you just wait. So we're a little bit early, still got another 35 minutes or so, but I don't know, it's not bad. It's not too hot today, but in the middle of the summer, I would not want to do this at all.
Apologize for the inconvenience. We're currently experiencing technical difficulties.
Pro tip, always join the Facebook group of the cruise you're going to go on, because we just found out that the servers have crashed inside the terminal. So you can't see, it's really hard to see. Behind me, over there are the 2 o'clock people. They haven't even started moving yet. It's going to be an exciting day, but yeah, so servers are down. They're unable to register people. So who knows how long we'll be waiting here today, but stay tuned, keep it right there. So we just got a Great. The elevator. So we just got a bypass the line. Some lady saw Colleen and was like, took pity on us, let us in. So now we're getting in. So we're going out of the line. Colleen.
Go over there and just wait.
Okay.
Until the next event.
All right.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go.
Well, navigators, we are on the ship. We are in cabin 10154Z.
Z, as in zebra.
As in
Zed.
zebra.
Zulu.
And we obviously are going to have a great room tour for you and, you know, a lot of more details, but it is very accessible.
We'll show you the room tour right after we're done yammering. We'll take you around the room. But yeah, it's a great room. So as we were saying outside, I don't know how much you could hear me. It was quite noisy, but servers went down for a little bit of drama, but it was quickly, I would say within 30 minutes or so, it was it was resolved. So.
And we were supposed to board at 2:45, and we got on the ship at 2:45.
I will say though, there was someone that's with the shore crew that saw Colleen waiting in line. It was like, come with me.
Yes.
So we did get, Colleen calls it pulling the card, but we didn't pull the card. Someone pulled the card for us.
It was really nice because it was getting hot. We had been in the line for a long time, and
yes.
So it was nice to get in the AC and just kind of get my body temperature back down. So really appreciate. There's a lot of what I call Disneyland lines where you do the zigzag, and they just had me kind of go around the outskirt of it, so I didn't have to go back and forth. So they were really nice.
Yeah. So I don't know if today was typical of what you get on a normal boarding day, because I tried to shoot some video and they're like, go. And it's like, okay, I'm running on board. So we're on board. I think we're gonna go get some drinks and some food. I'm not gonna do a ship tour today, but we're just gonna kind of check out what's going on around the ship. So let's get out of here. Oh, we're gonna do the room tour right now. So enjoy the room tour. All right, later, navigators. What are you thinking so far?
Love it. Does everyone like my octopus shirt? If you do, give it a thumbs up.
It's a party in here. We're gonna be like, what are those two doing? All right, okay. This is where it's a little hectic.
Hold it over.
To the right, go all the way straight back.
First impressions?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very flat, easy to roll.
Yes.
Minimal carpet.
Minimal carpet. We hate carpet. All right, so Colleen was trying to get me to same side sit with her. Absolutely ridiculous.
Someday, folks.
So we were inside. What's this? This is called the. All right, so we're in the dock right now. We went to the outside, but it was jammed up out there. So we are going to do inside and get some small bites to eat, and I think some drinks. And then I think at some point we have to head to the mustard drill. So that's probably up next. So. What'd you get there?
I went with a simple glass of wine because if I got anything harder, I'd probably be sound asleep in a half hour. What a great boarding day, I have to just say. It's been like very different than any other cruise line, but in like a very positive way. So it's just been like a lot less chaotic. Like, yeah, you got all the terminal craziness, but it's been fun so far.
And I got myself the super classy vodka and Red Bull because I need some energy. I need some wings right now. So we're gonna get some small bites here in a minute. We'll show you that, and then we're gonna, like I mentioned, we're gonna head over to the mustard drill because I think that starts at 4 and goes to 5:30. And I don't want to be one of those people on the cruise ship. So the food just came. Colleen thinks we got a ridiculous amount of food, but I disagree with her, and we have to eat this quick because I guess this place is going to turn to a muster station soon, but we need some food too because we haven't eaten since, I don't know, this morning at 9. So anyways, we're going to hurry up and eat.
Oh my God, we have the Italian restaurant in a couple hours, so let's get digging.
All right, food's done. Heading to our mustard. E7. So if you don't know where your muster station is, just ask. Holy fuck. Did I lose ya? How you doing back there? Yeah, we just watched one mustard drill, and now we're gonna get to watch another one. So we get to watch multiple mustard drills. That's Crew Assembly Station 1. And we're going, what do you say, E7?
E7, yeah.
E7.
Chocolate, like au pecan, whatever.
Chocolate what? Chocolate croissants? Colleen's talking about chocolate croissants. I'm looking for safety. Oh, I think I found our muster station. All right, so muster drill complete. I'm now outside of Squid Ink. Squid Ink right there. And so here's the deal. We're gonna try to get some tattoos. I have a few tattoos. Not gonna tell you where, but here's the deal. Tonight this place opens at 7 for a few hours, and I think that's mostly to book reservations throughout the rest of the week. So what I was told is get here early because the line starts to form like around 6 o'clock. Talk to Colleen, but I think we're gonna come back at 6 and get in line, try to get some tattoos. So, I don't know, has any YouTuber done a tattoo here? Have you gotten a tattoo here? If you've gotten a tattoo here, leave a comment down below. Love to hear with you, and show us a picture of your tattoo. All right, later. Nope.
No, okay.
I got the details though.
Okay.
I shared the details with everybody.
Okay. Can you share the details with me?
No, it's a secret.
No.
The viewers know, but you don't know.
Oh, no.
I'll tell you in a second.
Okay.
So, Colleen,
Yes, Nate.
first impressions so far.
Well, I've just rehydrated, so I'm feeling good. The water's a nice touch. I know it seems so silly, but like it's in your room in a carafe with nice glasses on like a little coaster on like a wooden tray. It's a small feature, but it's just such a nice touch. And then they do have this little...
Ahoy, sailors! In a few minutes, you will hear the ship's general emergency alarm, consisting of 7 short blasts and 1 long blast. In a real emergency, this will be your alert to make your way to your assembly station. Thank you for your cooperation. See you at your assembly station soon.
What were you saying?
Long.
What were you saying?
Well, we did all of our assembly station drill muster station, so we're good there. But no, I just wanted to also show they offer the sale of this fancy little, I guess, bottle opener.
And wine opener.
Wine opener for $25. No, it's a neat little keepsake, but there's
Yeah.
just like nice touches all around the ship. And I think that's what I enjoy so much about the ship is the decor, but it's got like some personalization to it and classiness and never mind.
Please make your way to your assigned assembly station now. Thank you.
Okay, well, there's actually a lot of good points there and a lot of great information. So Nate and I, for example, could not find anywhere on the app where our assembly station was. So I just went up to one of the gentlemen. He scanned my band and he told me exactly where we needed to go. That's one thing I have to say about Virgin is the tech, pretty impressive. And I actually really do like these bands. So this band basically is room key, your beverage purchase, your anything purchase basically on the ship. It gets you into your cabin. It's so simple. It's light, it can come off. So there's a little clasp on there. So maybe when I shower, I might take it off, but just so simple. Instead of having to take out a big card, potentially losing that card, sliding it into a pocket, falling out, we've had all that happen. So really kind of like the bands at this point.
So what are we doing now?
I think now we're probably gonna go get our spot on the deck for the sailaway party. So very excited to experience that. And then from there, we'll see where the night takes us. We do have a dinner reservation, but we may try to go down to the Squid Ink tattoo parlor on the ship and see if we can possibly get a reservation for each of us to get a tattoo on this cruise. So we'll see. I know there's a lot of popularity, so it may not happen, but give it a shot.
Well, we found the pool deck, finally. So the elevators are a little jammed up today. I think it's because of the little snafu earlier. But this is great. This was wonderful. And it's actually not too busy. I didn't lose Colleen. There she is, right behind me. How you doing, Colleen? And we're gonna get ready for this sailaway party. Oh, it's super quiet out here. And they got a lot of room for dancing. Oh, look, I see a spot. Come. Someone threw their purse there. See another spot over there. There we go. What? Sort of in the shade. These are Virgin approved sunglasses. So far, staff has been really nice. The food was great. Did you enjoy the food this afternoon?
I love the food. It was perfect, like, to kind of hold you over to dinner. Like, some picky things that we could share. We got what I thought was quite a few, but we downed them like there were nothing.
We're just gonna chill here. We found ourselves some nice seating. And again, then we're gonna, I don't know, see about tattoos. We may or may not do tattoos this time. We have to see what the line, how long that line is, because as Colleen said, we don't want to spend our whole vacation in line, and we will be back next year in December for our New Year's Eve cruise. So if you haven't signed up to go on that, make sure details down below.
Somebody here at Virgin Voyages says ahoy sailors. You say ahoy back. So let's try that again. I said ahoy sailors! Ahoy! Very good. But very shortly, we will be raising a glass to all of you naughty sailors. So I would like you to help yourself to a glass of those naughty bubbles. Take in the view. Yes, I'm talking about myself. Give it up for the gorgeous caricature. Raise your glasses to the friends you are about to discover. Lift your glasses to the adventures we are yet to uncover. May your journey be filled with adventure and fun. And may your voyage with Virgin be an unforgettable one. To the Scarlet Lady. Cheers!
Here we go. Colleen's right behind me. There she is. Oh, best sail away party ever. What do you say? Best sail away party?
Hands down. What a blast. What a blast.
And we got this. Where's the? I gotta get the momentum.
Yeah, the Polaroid.
Dude, look at that Polaroid. That is.
Coming into clarity.
Yeah, it's coming in. Look at that.
Oh, it's coming. It's getting there.
It's getting there.
We'll have to show the final product.
Yes, we'll put the final product, in the end clips. You gotta watch all the way to the end. How mean of us. But anyway, now we're gonna see about getting tattoos. So hopefully this line is not too long, but that was, you can see by my sweat, that was the best sail away party ever. Ever. Yeah. Hands down. You have to come on Virgin Voyages. Oh, we have to do the bunch. We're just gonna be hanging out here all night.
Just turn around real quick.
You turn around.
We're going to 6. We're gonna go see if we can get a tattoo.
Girl,
This way. Oh, it's not bad. There's no line there.
the dog.
So are you nervous to get your first tattoo?
A little bit. That's okay. I'm excited. I wouldn't do it if I wasn't.
Well, that's fun. So we've got our tattoos picked out. It's gonna be on the sea day, 1 o'clock. Are you excited? How excited are you?
I'm getting a tattoo.
But right now, we're gonna get some Italian. So we're gonna leave you here for the evening. I don't know, because this will be our Navigate the Plate. So stay right there.
Well, navigators, it is fairly early, but Nate and I are just beat. So we're gonna call it an evening, but we hope you enjoyed our onboarding today. And please check out our Extra Virgin Navigate the Plate episode. We are excited to show you a little bit about what Italian looks like on Scarlet Lady, and it was delicious. So check out that video. And thanks so much for watching, and tune in for our next episode on Scarlet Lady. And don't forget, navigate your world.